Welcome to Kishore's Neat Padasala. In this video, we will see the first topic of the gravitation chapter, that is the Kepler's law. Okay. There are three laws of Kepler's. First one is the laws of orbit, second one is the laws of area, third one is the law of periods. Okay, what is the Kepler's law of orbit? Kepler's laws of orbit states that all planets move around Sun in an elliptical orbit. This is the most important word, with Sun at one of the foci. Okay, so there are many foci in which Sun is at one of the foci. So this is the most important, elliptical orbit and Sun at one of the foci. Okay, now let us see what is the Kepler's law of area state. Kepler's law of area states that area covered in a particular time interval is constant. Area covered by a planet in its orbit at a particular time is constant. That is delta A divided by delta T is constant. Okay, this is a previous year question. Okay, that is, it is covering an area A1 in time T1 and A2 in time T2. Then A1 by T1 is equal to A2 divided by T2. Okay, this is the equation you can write from the Kepler's law of area, and delta A by delta T is equal to L by 2m. This is a very important formula where L is the angular momentum. Okay, we know that L is equal to mvr. So VR, how I'm writing, you see, V1 R1 is equal to V2 R2. Okay, this is a very important question, the very important formula. You can find the numericals based on this formula. So they may ask Vmax Rmin is equal to Vmin Rmax. V is velocity, R is the radius of the orbit or distance. So this is the important formula. And torque acting on the planet due to the central force is 0. This is also stated by law of area. Okay, these are all the important point in the Kepler's laws of area on the exam point of view. And this is the next Kepler's law, third law, law of period. It states that time taken is proportional to r cube. That is, time taken, square of time taken is proportional to r cube. Note that always from the center you want to take r. Suppose they are giving a planet radius is r and it is at a height of 2r. Then we can write that t square is proportional to, always from the center you want to take. So that is 3r the whole cube. Okay, this is the law of period equation, and the many numerical previous year questions are based on this question. Okay, now let us see the numerical based on the laws of periods. Okay, the satellite is orbiting the earth at a height 6r above the surface of earth. Okay, what will be the time period of another satellite which is at a height 2.5r, they are asking. So let us see satellite 1. The earth radius is r and the satellite, it is at a height 6r. Okay, so satellite orbiting the earth, they are given. So t square is proportional to r cube, but here r value is 7r. Okay, since you must always take from the center, so 7r the whole cube. So t square is nothing but, for let us take that for first satellite, sorry, it is not given in the question. Okay, let us assume that I have forgotten to write the data. Let the time period of first satellite be 24 hours. Okay, so 24 hours the whole square is proportional to 7r cube. This is the first equation. Now for second satellite, let us draw the diagram. Let us see what is the time period of another satellite at a height 2.5r from the surface of the earth. So the radius is r and this satellite is at a height 2.5r from the surface of the earth. So t square is proportional to, from the center you must take, so which is 3.5r the whole cube. this t value we want to find. Okay, this is the first equation, this is the second equation. Now if we do 1 divided by 2, so 24 the whole square divided by t square is equal to 7r the whole cube divided by 3.5r the whole cube. The value of t comes out to be 6 root 2 hours. Suppose if they are giving instead it is a geostationary satellite, remember that time period of a geostationary satellite is 24 hours. Okay, this you must remember. Okay, these are all the applications based on the Kepler's law for NEET exam. I hope you like this lecture. If you like this lecture, please subscribe Kishore's NEET Padasala. Thank you.